Hey, welcome to How to in a Few. This is a little lanyard video today. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this dryer vent because it probably hasn't been looked at in a very long time. And I see some dust stuff in here, so I want to make sure that it's not clogged in any way. So most of the newer ones are plastic and you can see them readily. But this one being metal, finds a little more. Oh, I thought it would come off. It did not slide off. It does not. Despite the tab. Alright, so that video is not going to film anything. I'm just reaching my hand in there instead. I can feel a little bit of buildup. It's not too bad. I'll need a brush. Main thing is that that flap moves so that the air is not obstructed. Surprising lot of lint on the outside of the flap. Alright, all cleaned up. Not sure that's worth even turning into a YouTube video, but we'll check it out.